420 degrees. Now it's 460, it's still fine. But every time we need to keep that temperature. And we have to make one pizza. I'm going to show you how to stretch. So I give that nice crust. So we put the flour. Yeah. Stretch in the middle to give all the air needs to go on the crust. So you need to stretch good on the middle, turn, stretch, and then just go. Alright. After this, we take the semolina out. Stretch again. One more time. Not too much, just a little bit. That's it. Okay, we got tomato pasta penne. Someone and one margherita. I'm gonna make normal margherita. Alright, 1 spoon of tomato, maybe 1.5. Go from the middle to the edge. Yeah, so all the edge. Just like this.
Just touching on the board.
Yeah, touching the board with the tomato sauce. Put the cheese on. That's it.
Don't put the oil.
Over. No oil.
There's
It's oil in the tomato. Yes.
A lot of people do
Now
not
we
want
stretch, we just take this
just in
slowly,
case, that's all.
stretching a little bit, make it round, make it nice. Looking good. Now we're gonna bring the
Stiamo facendo un video qui, eh?
Okay, next step. We have to try to make the pizza to cook it faster. So we're gonna leave the pizza there for a little bit to get cooked underneath, and then we're gonna try to put next to the fire so we get that nice soft crust and fast. So basically, because it's gas oven, it takes a bit 2 minutes, but for the normal it needs to take like 1 minute, 1.5 maximum. So that's what we try to cook the pizza fast.
You have wood on the other side where you're working.
Yeah, 35, 40 seconds for the pizza.
For a pizza. The time for a pizza. The wood oven, yeah. Because you can handle with the slim wood or big.
Put the pizza, turn it next to the fire, and take it out.
And if you break, it is better
we
because
check
if you break a pizza, no?
So you can see
It's
that
a
it
pain,
cooked.
yeah.
We have to go slow inside, take out, turn, 1, 2, put in the same place.
Because if you change the plane, it's gonna burn under.
In the same place. Leave it a little bit. Okay, and now we try again. One side slow, turn, next to the fire. 1, 2, 3, that's it. Turn, again, next to the fire. Turn, one more time. So you just see the pizza, make sure it doesn't burn. Turn it every time. Try to cook it fast.